In January 2026, YouTube removed monetization from 16 major channels in a single enforcement wave. Combined, those channels had 4.7 billion lifetime views. Some of them had been earning tens of thousands of dollars a month, gone overnight. Were these channels using AI? Most of them were, but that's not actually why they got hit. And understanding the real reason is the difference between building a channel that lasts and one that disappears. Welcome back to Getting Paid Community. Today we're talking about the most important policy update YouTube has made in years, and what it means for anyone building a faceless or AI-assisted channel. This video might be the most important one you watch before you build your channel. Stay until the end. On July 15, 2025, YouTube renamed its repetitious content policy to inauthentic content. The label change sounds minor. The implications are significant. The old policy targeted videos that were repetitive or reused. The new policy targets something broader, content that lacks genuine human creativity. YouTube's definition is deliberately wide. It covers mass-produced videos that follow identical templates, synthetic voiceovers over stock footage with no original commentary, content where the same format repeats across dozens or hundreds of videos with only the topic swap, and channels where AI is doing all the creative work and the human is simply pressing publish. Then, in January 2026, came the enforcement wave. The channels that got hit all shared the same pattern: faceless formats, synthetic voiceovers, templated scripts, upload schedules built around volume rather than value. This was not an AI ban. YouTube did not ban AI. It banned template replicable content. That is a critically important distinction. Yes, AI-assisted content can absolutely be monetized on YouTube in 2026. The platform's policies do not penalize AI usage. They penalize low quality, repetitive, or misleading content, regardless of how it was produced. Every channel that has stayed monetized, including faceless channels using AI voiceovers and AI-sourced footage, showed clear evidence of human creative involvement in the final product. Human editorial judgment, original framing, a consistent perspective that a viewer could not get from any other channel. Here's what YouTube is actually looking at. Does the content reflect genuine creative decisions by a real person? Is there a consistent editorial voice or perspective? Does the format vary meaningfully between videos? Does each video add something a viewer could not get from a search result or a template? If the answer to all four is yes, your channel is in a strong position, regardless of which AI tools you use to produce it. YouTube's enforcement system now evaluates channels as a whole, not just individual videos. One bad pattern can trigger a channel-wide review. Here is exactly what puts you at risk. Red flag 1. Every video follows the exact same template, same opening format, same middle structure, same outro, only the topic changes. This signals automation to YouTube's detection system. Red flag 2. No original commentary. If your content could have been produced by a text-to-speech tool reading a Wikipedia article over stock footage, you are in the risk zone. Red flag 3. Extreme upload frequency with no variation. Posting daily with zero format, variety signals, volume over value. Exactly what the policy targets. Red flag 4. No human rewrite of AI scripts. Raw AI output has recognizable patterns. YouTube's systems in 2026 are good enough to detect them. Red flag 5. Failure to disclose altered or synthetic content. If you use AI voices or AI-generated visuals and do not check the disclosure box at upload, you are violating a separate policy layer that can trigger review. Here's the framework that keeps your channel safe. Rule 1. AI assist, you create. Use AI for research, outlines, and first draft. Rewrite the script in your own voice before recording. Your rewrite pass is the creative fingerprint that makes your content original. Rule 2. Vary your format. Not every video can be 5 things you need to know about X. Mix in case studies, experiment videos, reaction breakdowns, tutorial walkthrough. Format variety is a trust signal to the algorithm. Rule 3. Add genuine commentary. Your opinion, your experience, your framing. Even a single segment in each video where you give your personal take on the topic adds the human layer the policy requires. Rule 4. Disclose. Every time you use AI voices or AI-generated visuals, check the altered content disclosure box at upload. It takes 3 seconds and protects your entire channel. Rule 5. Think quality over quantity. The channels that survived the January 2026 enforcement wave were posting fewer videos with higher value per video, not the reverse. AI content can absolutely be monetized on YouTube in 2026. The policy is not an AI ban. It's a quality standard. Build a channel where a real person is making real creative decisions. Use AI to make that process faster. Disclose when required, and you are on the right side of every policy YouTube has. Next in this series, the best faceless niches with the highest CPM, with the actual data. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you there.